I'm with Søren Jensen, Vice President of Enterprise Software, and we're talking at Schneider Electric's European Technology Centre. Søren, there's a heck of a lot of activity around prefab at the moment, and we've seen a big push towards using prefabrication for developing the physical layer of data centres. How is that working from a software point of view?
So I think it's a great way for us to rethink the way we write management systems for these prefabricated modules, whether it's a combined all-in-one IT power cooling module or it's a strict power cooling module, because we are looking for a way of simplifying the way management systems are being built and operated for years. And for many years we've had this very separate power and cooling mechanical sort of IT view of management systems in data center, and now comes a new era, a new way of thinking about how we build, design and offer our customers to interact with these modules. So with prefabrication in software comes a great deal of simplification, a great deal of masking away complexity, a great way of elevating up, so abstracting away the details and elevating up the system level understanding to a point where we as a vendor have already made choices on behalf of you as a user on how you should be interacting with these modules. Doesn't mean that you can't get to the details, but instead of starting with a blank piece of screen and start designing this all over, think carefully about what you should see when, and also how to configure it so that we avoid these highly custom designed engineered solutions. But we come in and we can quickly, through almost like a manifest file, describe the unique configuration of that module in a simple way that doesn't take a lot of programming, so that the commissioning, the training, the deployment becomes standardized, easy, simplified, and basically cost you less.
What does this mean for DCIM then?
Well, first of all, if you just have one module of like a power cooling, maybe an IT pod, etc., you should ask yourself if you even need DCIM. Maybe you don't even have DCIM, and these systems are being built and have been built to be standalone, easy to use gateways for each of these modules. So maybe you don't even need DCIM. But if you do have DCIM, and if this is a part of your bigger infrastructure and your architecture, you should look for this to be a plug and play, and for your module or your management system to automatically subscribe and populate itself inside the DCIM application without, again, a lot of custom engineering, design work and programming. So look for the management systems to be absorbed, integrated, and start subscribing and delivering information, just like if you put another UPS online. There's really no difference from a management structure point of view. Only difference is that a UPS, you have the information of the UPS, but a gateway, you have hundreds of underlying details that needs to be supported as well, again in a simplified way.